Those who create literature know firsthand just how difficult creating meaning.
There are no options. If I weren't a writer, I think I'd be a total psychological mess.
From soul transference to the globe's adherence to a false appearance of the real creator of the cosmos. We're in a mess under the control of sneering savage satanic puppets trapping the masses with anger and sadness. All we wanna do is stack chips. We got it backwards. The fact is that they damaged the planet, and if we don't start acting against the antics of madness, then we're gonna face the same fate that we did back in Atlantis. Listen.
Shit, keep quiet while the MC rap with it. Others say they're bad, but they're bugging. Whatever that, I'm constantly coming with clever raps off the rhyme time like a cocaine addict. A lot of MCs who talking all that junk. A lot of suckers will like to forget me. The incredible, lyrical, and original. I grab the steel with the crime on top.
Darkness, a luciferic consciousness is infecting nations. I'm privileged to have the revelations of sixth approaching seventh density explanations. Countries are left invaded in endless deprivation, but the effects of devastation caused by these wretched masons provides karmic experiencing for our souls to reach a more developed status. But I'm not making an attempt at changing your opinions about these secret societies and their infectious hatred. We need to make some preparations for our species' elevation. Love and light are the key, and there's no way to separate them. The pyramids were built using a group consciousness effort of levitation. I use light visualizations when I meditate and remember that all expressions made a light of perfect creations. Despite the intent of Satan, we need to use love to achieve Gaia's dimension change and renovation. I'm a microcosmic version of the logos of this galaxy, the mind of which provides us a blueprint for escaping this reality. My consciousness is as vast as the light and dark polarities of creation's totality.
But you should keep quiet while the MC rap with it. Others say they're bad, but they're bugging. Whatever that, I'm constantly coming with clever raps off the rhyme time like a cocaine addict. A lot of MCs who talking all that junk. A lot of suckers will like to forget me. The incredible, lyrical, and original. I grab the steel with the crime on top.
Yeah, I feel to break away from this day-to-day monotony. Dismiss the bars away from the cage that is blocking me. It's insane detained, chasing paper and properties. It's like we're locked in a box of life-size monopoly. Man, it's honestly also monotonous. I'll tell you, see the signs that reside on the monument, symbolic and they're obviously the opposite of positive. Knowledge spit and vomit sick at the logic is the Socrates. Cosmos, I do this properly. One bar will fart on your whole team's discographies. What? Flow static, so ecstatic with the method to electrocute. Leave you there for mute, meta carpools. Can't move, try and tell a dude when I barred you. Bathe in a mist like a hot box your bathroom. The spliff strapper, I twist rappers when I charge through. Fire in the booth like my room where I spark
But
food.
you should keep quiet while the MC rap with it. Others say they're bad, but they're bugging. Whatever that, I'm constantly coming with clever raps off the rhyme time like a cocaine addict. A lot of MCs who talking all that junk. A lot of suckers will like to forget me. The incredible, lyrical, and original. I grab the steel with the crime on top.
People are usually terrified of poetry, and they don't realize that it's just speech. It is language that is somehow extraordinary, but there are ways they could deal with it without worrying.